This is Elizabeth with Dandelion Soap, and we're talking about system recovery. The thing is oat straw. Um, some people are familiar with oat straw, especially if you have horses or cattle or any kind of farm animals and things of that nature. And it kind of grows willingly too. I mean, it's a happy-go-lucky. Oat straw, the way that you can identify it, it has a milk to it. In other words, when it springs up, it's going to be about 2.5 feet tall, and it is going to have these little buds on it, and they're really, really green, and they smell good. But as soon as you pull on it, and if anybody has ever done any walking around in a field or walking around in nature, you probably run across oat straw, and it has a little bud on it. And when you hit it, or when you pull it, when it's green, it has milk. It's a very milky substance. It's very white, translucent almost looking, but really white, milky, and it's sticky. It's kind of sticky on you, and when you pull it off, it just milks. The milk just, you'll have it on your hands. But you can use those like right then. They're really delicious and nutritious. They are full of omegas, lots of omegas and vitamins and nutrients. And so you can eat them just like, they're really delicious. You can roast them. You can make teas out of them. A tea is really, really delicious with oat straw. So oat straw is really good for those trace nutrients and minerals. Lots of nitrogen. It puts nitrogen back into the earth. It can be a great plant, so to speak, to plant if you're trying to recoup a field. So you have a crop there. And most of the time, people who raise plants and make a living out of them, they'll plant oat straw for like 2 years. And then after that, they'll cycle it, and they might put soybeans or Venta or Ventia or something to restore the soil, to get the energy back to it and to pull resources back to that land so that they can plant other things that will be harvested and used for nutrition.